So what's going to happen if the auto repair businesses don't make any changes and things stay the way they do?
Well, the world's changed. The customers now have a digital experience that they're used to through all other aspects of their lives, and it's the immediate gratification, the immediate answer. I want to know, can I go do this?
Now.
Yeah, and I don't have to wait for an answer anymore. When they're engaging with workshops, they've got the same expectation. Like, do you have that part in stock? Can I bring my car down to you now? The only way that you're going to be able to answer that question is if you've got systems in place, or you've got the visibility in those digital platforms to show you, yes, I can get this, or no, I can't. You're going to have to bring it in this afternoon. You're not going to have that opportunity to say, hang on, let me call you back, because that's completely out of line with what the customer wants. They want that answer now. And so being able to provide it to them is the thing that captures them and brings them in.
It's funny because, with health and well-being, we go to Google and have old Dr. Google, and we put the symptoms in, and normally somebody tells us something that sort of lines up with our situation. The same can be said with cars. The resources that are available online now, personal experiences, previous repairs and so forth. My 2019 Prado is making a knocking noise from the rear end. And they can say it's bushes, or it's this, or it's diff clunk, or whatever. You are seeing people who are coming in with a little bit more of an understanding, and you've got to be careful that, if you are looking at parts, they are relevant as opposed to subjective.